Hey guys, come along. Let me take you on a beautiful trek with me. I first met my team leader at the metro station where he was waiting to pick me and one of my co-traveler to take us to the bus. So this was my ride from Andheri to our trek destination. The road was calm and beautiful with heavy rain pouring outside, and the amazing playlist made the journey feel even more peaceful. We reached there by 3:30 and started the day with breakfast. Our leader instructed us to get ready for the trek as we were about to leave in a few minutes. So I applied some sunscreen to protect my skin once the sun comes out. As soon as we began the trek and started walking, the light slowly started to break through. After a few minutes, we all paused for a quick round of introductions. Once the introductions were over, we continued walking towards the waterfall as the surroundings slowly grew brighter. The first glimpse of small streams appeared before our eyes, and we couldn't stop feeling amazed by them. Surrounded by such serene beauty, our pace naturally quickened as every step revealed another charming stream along the trail. After a while, we reached a river that we had to cross, wading our way through the flowing water. It was magical. And finally, after a short walk, our destination came into our sight, mesmerizing even from a distance. We followed the river flowing from the waterfall, our destination. Along the way, we jumped across rocks, climbed small slopes, and even walked through the water. Every bit of the hustle was truly worth it. And finally, we reached our destination, Kalu Waterfall. To be honest, it felt unreal. No phone or camera could ever capture the beauty we experienced there. I was completely awestruck by the raw, breathtaking power of nature. We were excited and clicked countless pictures and recorded plenty of videos, knowing this would be our only way to relive such an amazing experience. After a few hours, we began our journey back to the base, retraining the same route and reliving the same little adventures along the way. Our team leaders gave us time to swim and play in the river, letting us soak in every moment of beauty. We had an amazing time before returning to the base, enjoying lunch and finally boarding the bus back to Mumbai. Another lifetime experience to cherish forever. Signing off.